So here we're going to identify parallel and perpendicular lines, and we're going to determine if we're given two lines, whether they're parallel or not. First thing you need to do is you need to get them in y equals mx plus b form, because what we're looking for are slopes. Everything comes down to the slopes. So here we go. We're going to take our bottom, well, we'll take the top equation first. Negative 9x plus 3y equals 7, and we're going to solve for y. So we're going to add the 9x, and then we're going to divide by 3. Everything gets divided by 3. So we get 3x plus 7/3. So there's our first equation. The second equation, 3x minus y equals 3. We're going to subtract the 3x. So negative y equals negative 3x plus 3. We're going to divide now by negative 1. You can't just get rid of that negative or erase it. So we get rid of the negative 1. Y is equal to 3x minus 3. So what we have to look for is the slopes. So slope, that's the part in front of the x, that's your coefficient. And now we just need to know definitions. So these slopes are both 3, and the definition says parallel lines have slopes that are equal. Well, there you go. So these are parallel lines. Our slopes are equal. We solved everything. That's our answer. You do want to know what perpendicular lines look like, or if the slopes are negative reciprocals. So I'm going to show you what that is. Negative reciprocals would be, for example, if one slope was, we should start with the negative so it makes sense, negative 1/3. And the other slope would be the negative of that, which means it would have to be positive. And it would be the reciprocal of that, which means this would have to flip to 3/1. So that is unsimplified, but that's where you're going to get the visuals. So that would be an example of perpendicular lines, when you have slopes that are different signs and reciprocals of each other. And as you practice problems, you're going to see both of these types of lines.